What about your New Year resolutions? Maybe you have made it, or maybe you are making it, or maybe you are going to make it. But you are going to reflect on it. Before making your New Year resolutions, there are things which you need to keep in mind. And you know what? You start many things, but you don't complete. Why people start things but they don't complete? I don't want you to get so fiery in 1st of January, on 5th of January, and then on 10th of January, you are cold. Okay, I'm done. I don't want you to repeat this. So listen, before making your 2024 resolution, before making your resolutions, I want just keep some important points in your mind so you will be consistent with your things. You know what? Without commitment, there is no start. And without consistency, there is no end. I know you all are commit. You all are going to commit with New Year resolutions. But I know many of you are going to leave your journey in mid. I want you to make this year productive. I want you to achieve a lot of things in this year. Because you know what? There is again very beautiful saying, don't take major time for minor things. In a year, you can get a lot of things. You can even become a master on something. But because of, your lack of consistency and because of whatsoever reason, you stop. In this video, I am going to share with you the 5 things, and you can say 5 reasons. If you have committed, if you are going to commit with something, how you have to be consistent in that journey. With the help of these 5 reasons, you will get to know that is it temporary, your commitment is temporary, or it is gonna be permanent. First reason why people are unable to complete what they start. The first reason is that you have started something which someone else wants from you, or maybe you are becoming follower. So first you have to reflect whatever you have started, okay, you have started something because you want this thing. This thing is making you happy from inside. Is this your passion? Or you have started something because other people want that thing from you. I am not denying when you see someone, when you get motivated after seeing them and you start following them. I am not denying that's really great that you are getting motivation from them. But you have to understand one thing. The thing which you have started, if that thing is not coming from your core, if it is not making you happy, I am telling you it is gonna be temporary. And after a period of time, you will become cold. Listen, taking break is an altogether different game, okay? But stopping, not taking interest in something, that is altogether a different game. And this thing happens when you start something which someone else is expecting from you. So, the questions which you are going to ask in order to know that whatever you are going to commit with, is it resonating with you? So, the first question is it making me happy? Is it giving me peace? Second, is it expanding me or it is going to shrink me? Okay? And third, whatever you are following, that is a motivation which you are taking from someone, okay? Or you have just started after seeing someone. You have to reflect on these questions. And last thing, if you are following someone, you have started something because you have seen that, yeah, that person, he has also started, she has also started, so I am also going to start. Listen, you are taking motivation from them and then you have started, that's a different thing. But if you have started that thing after seeing them, I'm telling you, you can't get your destiny while walking on others, route, while walking on others' direction. Their direction is different and your direction is different. Taking motivation from their direction is fine, but walking on any other person's direction is not fine. So please, before making any resolution, before taking any commitment, see, is this thing going to expand you? Is it going to give you something good? It is making you great? Is it adding any value in your life? Is it making you happy? If yes, commit to it. Commit to it. If not, reflect. What is wrong? Is it temporary? If yes, I'm going to change it. Second, why people don't complete when they start something? They commit, but they don't complete. So the second reason is, listen, either you are too rigid, damn stubborn, or you are too flexible, too casual. Listen, either you are damn rigid or stubborn, or you are damn flexible, casual. So what happens? You say, okay, from 1st of January, I am going to do it. Let's suppose 1st of January came and you are unable to do it. 2nd of January came, you are unable to do it. And you are that damn rigid, you have said 1st of January and 2nd of January, if it is not happening in 1st and 2nd of January, I am not going to do it. Same, one more example. You say, I am going to wake up 5 o'clock. And tomorrow, because of whatsoever reason, you are unable to wake up 5 o'clock. You say, I'm not worth it. I'm not going to wake up. Right? You are damn stubborn. You are damn rigid. It will not work in this way. Second, I have said either you are damn rigid or you are too flexible, damn casual. So what do? You say, let's see if I can wake up tomorrow. Yeah, it's 1st of January, new year. Let's see if I can wake up. Damn casual, whenever I'll get time, I'll start. No. In this way, it is not going to work. So neither be too rigid nor be too casual or flexible. Okay? You have to be neutral. Neutral is logical and logical is actionable. Okay? How? If you have said, okay, I'm going to make New Year resolution. I'm going to read books. I'm going to wake up early. You are saying these things, right? Do some logical experiments. Take some paper, make some to-do list and okay, this is the time I have found my time. This is my time. This time I will go. From today at night, this time I have to sleep. Everything actionable, logical. Not like, okay, from tomorrow, I have written one time, it's okay. Logical, actionable, neutral. Not so much, not too quick, neutral. So listen, whatever you are going to commit with, and if you are not going to check on it, that you are going to become so rigid on it or so casual, I'm telling you it is going to be temporary resolution. Okay, it will be fade up. It will be fed up after some time. Okay, so neither be too rigid nor be so casual, just be neutral, take action. Third, not having sense of urgency, taking too many long breaks. Okay, so let me tell you, when you make your New Year resolutions, I know that at first you all are damn fiery. I also go in this way, very fiery, and after a period of time we get cold. Listen, it happens, I know, because you join hustle culture at first because you are on fire. I can understand that, okay? First, I would suggest don't join hustle, that burnout. I agree, I have said sense of urgency. So what is sense of urgency? Sense of urgency, it doesn't mean you are going to, join hustle culture, this, that, running, everything fast. Yes, everything, it needs to be fast. But what we call real sense of urgency? Real sense of urgency is this. You have to get the job done which is important for you, and you have to get the job done which is adding value in your life. You have made commitment today, from tomorrow I am going to read. You have 24 hours, and if you are not able to make it in the morning time, then whole day you are making excuses. No. In this way it will not work. If you have that urgency, you will make time. You will not do excuses. You are mature. You know what is important for you. You know what is going to add value in your life. Taking breaks, I can understand. Little taking breaks, I can understand. But procrastination, listen, use sense of urgency in a right way. You know that you are going to start reading from tomorrow because reading is going to add value in your life. Urgency is, it doesn't matter how busy you are in the morning time, 5 minutes you are going to give to this thing, and you're doing things little faster. You know, you don't have will management. You know, your will management. You have your energy, you have your will, but you don't have management. And that's, you know, and this is the very same thing from where procrastination is coming. When you have will, okay, in the morning time I want to read. Okay, you have that will and you have energy. Yeah, energies are high, but you are not reading. You have done something else instead of reading, and now later on you are a little lazy. I'm not feeling like, you know, reading now. So what you have done, like, you imbalanced your will and your energy. So do just, you know, you have to have a really good management, balance of your will and your energy. The third thing is you take too long breaks and you don't show sense of urgency. So please arise sense of urgency inside you, because only 1% people out of 100, only 1% people, you know, are having sense of urgency. They are doing the they are doing the get job done which needs to be done. Fourth, after walking so long, you commit and you stop. Fourth is competition. Yeah, I know competition is good, but and you know, more ways people say that no, competition is not good. But listen, what you do actually, you commit with something, you walk little far, and then you see, I came here to speak, I came here to become a good communicator, but he is also trying, she is also trying, everyone is trying, they all are in competition, they all are good, they are going so far, I'm not going to start. Let's suppose you have started your YouTube channel. You are so excited at first, you are fiery, then suddenly after walking so far, she is also like me, but she has more followers. He has just started, you know, and he has more followers. No. In this way, what you do, you tell yourself that I am not worth, you compete, you have to understand, listen, you are unique. You can't compare your first chapter with their 20th chapter. And you are also unique. You are going to do something else in life. Okay? So never ever stuck with competition. You have no idea, I had also gone through this thing. Competition. You are unique. Whatever you are committed, okay? Walk with it. I'm telling you, walk with it. Don't compete. Yes, look here and there, appreciate them, learn from them, and start walking again. Whatever you have started, either you have started hitting gym, reading book, you have started your YouTube channel, whatever it can be, your communication journey, whatever it can be, okay? But you are not going to, compete with someone, all right? You will compete, but in a positive way, all right? Last and fifth, too many choices, okay? Listen to me. I know you people are going to commit with a lot of beautiful things, and these things are going to add values in your life. Let me share a beautiful thing with you, okay? A beautiful task which I have done, and this task has shown something, you know, very drastic, something literally very great in my life. When you have a lot of choices, you are unable to understand the top 10 tasks. What are the tasks, you know, what are those tasks which are going to make, you know, something great in your life? I'm telling you, you all are perplexed. You all are confused right now. Use pen and paper, write all the activities, okay, do experiments and check what is working for you. Is hitting gym working for you, reading books, working for you, starting a YouTube channel working for you, communication is working for you, and going for different interviews is working for you. What is going to work for you? I'm telling you, anything can open, that lock. When you have lot of choices, you do burnout. I had also gone through this thing. Earlier I wrote 50 activities and I was trying to manage 50 activities in a day. So what you have to do, you are gonna juggle. You are gonna juggle between 50 activities. So I would suggest you take pen and paper. You have 50 to 70,000 thoughts running in your head per day. How you are going to know what is important for me? You haven't reminded your subconscious mind. You're not very good at good habits. Okay? What you are going to do, take pen and paper, write everything. Okay, 5 to 6 I'm going to do this, 7 to 8 I'm going to do this, 8 to 9 I'm going to do this. And while writing these things, you will get to know, okay, this is just eating my time. This is not making sense in my life. Okay, this thing is making sense. That's how. Don't burn out, calm, be serene, and check. Do experiments what is going to work for you. Okay, and pick those 10 tasks and please work on them. Become master on these 10 tasks. I'm telling you, these are the 10 tasks which are gonna shape your destiny. Okay, all right. So these are the 5 reasons, problems I have shared with you, that if you are going to commit with any task, please reflect on these 5 things first. Okay, and after reflecting, resonate, mix, okay, and then go through it. All right, so you will get to know that it is going to be temporary or it is going to be fine with me. I'm not saying that it will be permanent. Okay, I hope you are going to achieve, I wish you will achieve everything whatever you are just wishing for. But many times it happens that we do a lot of hard work but we don't get, but we learn a lot from that. Okay, all right. So with this thing, I'm going to wrap up this video. So if you think this video has added any value in your life, so please give thumbs up, share your comments, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And yes, support my channel the way you have been supporting, because your support gives me strength to make more such content for you learners. Okay, so with this thing, let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.